Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So today will be a different kind of video for this channel. So we will not be talking about WordPress or WordPress plugins, but instead I will describe to you guys the screen recording software that I am using to record videos for you on this YouTube channel. So let's jump straight into this subject and let me show you which is the screen recording software. So this is it. It is called Logitech Capture. So it came with my Logitech camera that I am recording this video on, and it is a really cool little piece of software, and I can fully recommend it to you guys, especially if you have a Logitech camera, because I think that it works only with Logitech cameras. So you will see that you will have many options at it. So let me maximize it, and this is me. Why? And this is the desktop. You can change things and resize, also resize screens, split them, and so on. So it is a really helpful software. You can mute the computer and many options you will have here. Also options for the first source, video source, which is XSplit webcam. This is a virtual camera, because you might see that my background is removed. So I will talk about this also in this video, about how I remove my background and how you can see this WordPress logo in the background and not what is actually there. Okay. So XSplit webcam is the source, because this is the virtual camera, and another source can be selected, my Logitech Brio 4K camera. So this is the another source. The second display source is display 2. I have two displays. I have this big monitor here in front of me and my laptop screen over there. Okay, so this is display 1 and display 2. This is my laptop screen and my big monitor in front of me here. Okay, so you can add your watermark, you can add anything you wish. So as you can see, it's displaying the Logi watermark, and you can change this watermark after you registered your account, because this is only coming with Logitech cameras. Okay, you can also have some scene effects and many advanced stuff that I haven't touched so much yet. Okay, overlays for text. This is the encoder settings for video, the sound source, some shortcuts for keywords, and the account. I think I'm not logged in. Anyway, I have an account there and I can log in. Okay, so this is the capturing software that I use, and as I told you, it is really nice and I recommend it. It will be linked in this video description. Also, the background removal is done with this little tool, XSplit webcam. So this is a paid software, and it came with the camera. So it came with a 1-year license of this little software, and this is how I got it and how I made contact first time with this little virtual camera, because it is actually a virtual camera, and basically it came as a gift with the camera. Since then my 1-year license expired and I got a lifetime license to this little software, which is removing my background, because I really like it and I find it really useful. So let me show you what it really can do. So first of all, it will capture the image that your camera records, and it will edit it, and it will provide it to the recording software in its edited form. And as you can see, it is doing a really good job, because it is removing the background from here, from behind me, in a really great way. especially because I don't have a green screen behind me, but it's a real room. So if I remove this, and I can show you that behind me it's a real room with drawers and even a bicycle here, with a kitchen over here, and yeah, it's pretty many stuff over there, and the door which is a different color from the rest. And you will see that this XSplit webcam is pretty well handling the color changes. Only here we can see a bit of glitching out in my hair, but the rest is pretty nice. So also if I take stuff and move stuff here around my the front of me, all will be visible. So I really recommend you guys the XSplit webcam little software. It will be linked also in this video's description. So you can choose your backgrounds, change them as you wish, also remove backgrounds, and it's some kind of transparent now, but the best results I got with images like this. Okay, so you can also change here how transparent would be the image, and this is also fully transparent, and you can see that the logo over here will disappear. Okay, you can capture screenshots, edit the watermark, because you can also add here a watermark. So currently it's none. You can select the capturing camera which you use to capture the image, and you can add your custom backgrounds also. So yeah, basically this is a pretty straightforward software, but in its background, trust me, it's not simple. It's pretty complex, because this background removal is pretty complex to do, especially if we have a complex background like this one behind me. So if I would have a green screen, it would be pretty easy to remove only the green color from behind me and to replace it with this image. But in case of a full kitchen and a full living room behind me, yeah, it's pretty complex. So the user interface is pretty simple, but the program is pretty complex. Okay, so yeah, also you will see here settings, my laptop, and many other stuff. Okay, so yeah, this was the video for today. These are the two software that I wanted to present. So Logitech Capture and XSplit webcam. These are the two basic components I use daily to record these videos for you guys. So let me know what you think about it. And if you have ideas or suggestions or questions, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video if you want to get more, and also share it if you want to help friends find the recording software and the virtual cam to their usage. Okay, so this is all for today. Until next time, have a nice day. Bye bye.